In this After Effects tutorial, I'll show you how to create this liquid but extremely distorted title animation. Hi, my name is Manuel. This title animation is mostly effects driven, so you might need all your render power. Alright, time to dive in. First of all, we create a new comp and name it title. We need to create a container for the text content to be able to easily change the text anytime without messing up the whole animation. We use the title tool to add some text. I use Filson Pro Heavy, which is an Adobe font. Size around 175 pixels. We align the text to the center and then use the alignment tool to align the text solid to the center as well. Switching back to the selection tool. Then we open the text property, open the animate menu and add a tracking animator. We set a tracking amount keyframe at the beginning, then move to the end and at 71 frames set the tracking amount to 20. Next we select the keyframes and open the graph editor. Make sure snap is activated and edit speed graph is selected. Then drag this right point down until it snaps and at the same time drag the handle as far to the left as possible. Alright, we got a smooth and organic tracking animation. Now let's set up the actual title animation. We drag the title comp down onto the comp symbol and name the new comp title animation. Then we use the Effects and Presets window to add Mr Mercury. We need to adjust some settings. Radius X around 138, radius Y around 50. Let's move the producer point up to the top. Velocity 0.5, birth rate 1, gravity 0.5, animation twirly. Blob birth size around 1.45, blob depth size around 1.15. We set keyframes at the beginning for these two values. Then go to 50 frames and set both of them to 2. Awesome! Now we generated a fade-in animation which then calms down a bit. Then we add Roughen Edges. Edge type Roughen, order 0.2. Add Sharpness and Fractal Influence 1. Scale around 30. Complexity 10. Alright, it's already much more messed up and grainy around the borders. Next we duplicate the comp, select it and press U to see all keyframes. We select them and move them 8 frames to the right. We now should open both Mr Mercury properties and link all the settings of the top comp to the bottom comp, using the property pick whip. Except the two we animated. That's a bit of work now, but it will make it easy to change the animation later. Then we add echo to the top comp. Adjust the settings. Echo time minus 0.01, number of echoes 10, starting intensity 1, and let's add a slight decay, 0.9. Okay, so echo needs a bit of render power. The title is already getting quite messed up now, looking all distorted and dirty. Let's add some color though. Therefore, we add shift channels and change take red from full off. Now we need to set the blending mode of the layer to screen. And let's move the position like 2 frames to the right and 1 or 2 frames to the top, so that it doesn't have the exact same position as the comp below. Then we duplicate the top title comp. Set the number of echoes to 15. In shift channels we change the red channel back to red, and this time we take green from full off. We duplicate this comp and this time we set the number of echoes to 20. And in shift channels we change the green channel back to green, take the blue from full off. Then let's slightly change the positions of the upper two comps as well. Awesome! Let's have a look at what we've done. Such a beautiful mess! One last thing. Let's duplicate the title animation comp and name it title animation fill. Open it and delete the shift channels effects from the top 3 comps. Instead of these effects, we add a fill effect. This allows you to add specific colors. So let's start with the cyan mode. We copy the effect and paste it to the comp above. Let's change the color to yellow. We paste it one more time and let's go for a nice pink. Awesome! If that's too modest for you, you could add a glow to really emphasize the colors. And if you're going to play around and customize the animation, you simply change the Mr Mercury settings in the bottom comp. And they'll automatically change in all the layers above. On the left side, I've added some videos you might like. Subscribe to my channel on the right side and ring the bell to get notified when my next video is coming out. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. See you in the next video. Bye!